What's up, y'all? It's me, the one and only Ashley Apollo. So today I'm gonna be doing a get to know me tag, so you know y'all can get to know me, get all up in my business or whatever. And yeah, side note, if you hear any discrepancies in the background, that is my parents. They're downstairs drunk, drinking, listening to Young Thug, minding their business and living their best life. So if you hear a faint boom boom bop, or you know, something in the background, some Gucci man or something, I don't know, Anita Baker in the background, that's my parents. But let's get started with the get to know me tag. The questions are on my phone. It's 30 questions. I have not read these questions, so we'll see if I answer them all, because y'all ain't gonna be too much in my business, because I don't know y'all like that. I'm just playing, but I don't know y'all like that. I'm gonna play in my business. Shit. First question, where were you 3 hours ago? Downstairs, probably. At my mom's house. Boring. Confession. I can be shallow at times. I am a spoiled brat. Ain't no can. I am. And let me give y'all one more confession just for fun. I'm crazy. Bad habits. Bad habit is I can sleep all day, like all day, like it's really bad. Favorite color, I don't really have a favorite color. I mean, I like blue though, because I always put a blue heart. So if I put a blue heart, it means I like you, because I like blue hearts. So like, I guess you could say blue, because like, I don't know, like that's just like, if you got a blue heart, like you, hey, you know what I'm saying? Ew. Here, next question. What color is your, what color is your toothbrush? My toothbrush is pink. Next question, can you drive? Barely. I mean, I can drive, I have a license, but am I the best? No. Can I get you to point A to point B? Possibly. Okay, the next question is, when's my birthday? My birthday is March 17th. I am a Pisces, which means my birthday is coming up. So, yeah. Okay, the next question is, what is my addiction? So, that is gonna be exciting. My addiction. Ew. Okay, I'm addicted to sweet tea. I love sweet tea. Right now I'm addicted to freaking cream soda. It's so good. What else? Pet peeves. Oh, I got a lot. Oh, one pet peeve is I hate when I say I'm sorry and somebody tells me I'm not sorry. That would really make me get real gully and disrespectful. So if I come to you and I say like, oh, I'm sorry, such and such, and you'll be like, you don't mean that. Now it's gonna get real different. Don't tell me that. That's a pet peeve. Oh, another pet peeve is when people tell me have to. Like, I have a problem with the words have to. So if you tell me you have to do this, like, I'm just gonna get pissed off, because I feel like I don't have to do anything but say black and die. So you telling me I have to do anything? I don't have to do anything. I'm choosing to. Like, you know, I just don't like when people I don't know if that's like me being in the military, that word just gives me anxiety, but that you have to do this or you need to go, like, no, I don't need to do anything. I don't have to do anything. I'm choosing to. So don't talk to me as if this is my only option in the world, because it isn't. There's always a choice. You always have a choice, ladies. Last person I hugged, my mom. Question number 11, what is your zodiac sign? I said that already. I'm a Pisces, you know, water sign or whatever. Next question, something you miss. Being a kid, not having bills, going to school, not working, things like that. Question number 13, what song is stuck in your head at the moment? 2 years ago, promises was all I heard. Wait a minute, let me finish. That's an R. Kelly song in Sparkle. I know we ain't messing with R. Kelly right now, but that's just, that song has been in my head because I just find it funny right now. Okay, question number 14, what is my eye color? Is brown. I want some pretty brown eyes. You know, I see you. Yeah, so my eyes are brown. Question number 15, what state or part of the world do you live in? I live in North America. Question number 16, what's my favorite quotes? Quote. I really don't know. So that one is just going to have to be a I don't know. Because I don't know what my favorite quote is right now. Don't know. Question number 17, somewhere you would like to visit. I would like to go to New York. I've never been to New York. Out of all the places I've been through, out of all the places that I've been to, it's crazy that I've never even been to New York. So I would like to just go to New York just because I just feel like it's somewhere I need to go, and I feel like New York niggas have a good accent and I want to hear it all day. So holla at me, B, that ass. Question number 18, do you like your name? Yes, I do, because it's really fun when I'm applying for a job or when I start speaking and people like think I'm ghetto or something, and they ask like, what's your name? And I'm like, Ashley. So it's really funny because people be like, you don't look like Ashley, and I'm just, what the hell do that mean? So yes, I love my name because it's just funny. What is your favorite season? When niggas cut a check for no reason. Okay, is that season when niggas cut a check for no reason? Time to blow a bed, time to blow a bed, time to blow a bed, time to blow a bed. Hey, I'm just kidding. My favorite season is probably spring because it's not too hot, it's not too cold, and it's easy. You ain't even got, it's not too much holidays, you ain't gotta spend too much money. It's just easy breezy, you know, you just glide on by. The only holiday is my birthday, so I will be receiving money and not giving it. So it's wonderful. Spring is wonderful for me. Question number 20, what type of phone do you have? I have an iPhone 8 Plus. Question number 21, something you're excited for. I'm excited to be successful, and I'm excited to be a wife one day. So those are, what the hell is this? Oh, so those are some things that I'm excited for. I'm excited to like just be someone's wife, like an actual wife one day, and start a family and be like, you know, cute. And I'm excited to be successful and be able to help my mom and help others and just bless everyone once I'm blessed. Well, I'm already blessed now, but y'all get the gist of what I'm saying. Question number 22, how long does it take you to get ready? 2 hours, like 2 hours, hour and 30 minutes. Like that's hair, makeup, clothes. Yeah. 23, what is my biggest fear? I guess one of my biggest fears is losing a loved one. I've never experienced a close death, so that's a fear and an experience that I'm really like not prepared for. So I would say that. My favorite band will have to be, I like Paramore. Like they're dope. Like I don't know, I just like Paramore, so I'll say Paramore. My favorite animal, a whale. I love whales. They're just so like majestic to me and like peaceful, and they just chill and mind their business. 26, my favorite person is my mom. So my mom is my favorite person in the whole world. One food you hate. I hate cucumbers, olives, and I don't know. Yeah. Number 28, what are my favorite movies? My favorite movies is Players Club, Baby Boy, Trolls, Save the Last Dance, Man on Fire with Denzel Washington and Dakota Fanning. Wonderful movie. Please watch it if you haven't. What else is like one of my favorite movies? Glitter with Mariah Carey. No one likes that movie but me, but like Glitter is such a good film. Like I don't understand why nobody likes Glitter. It's good as hell. Mariah did her thing. I don't care. So yeah, those are a few of my favorite movies. What gets me grossed out easily? Like blood. Like I don't like blood. Like if I see blood, I just get grossed out, or like snot, stuff like that. Like ugh. Number 30, the final question here on the Get to Know Me tag is, what is my relationship status? Wouldn't you guys like to know? You want to know? You want to know if I got a man? You want to know if you can be my man? So that is it for this get to know me tag. I hope this get to know me tag was fun for you guys. You guys get a chance to get to know me and, like, you know, see how I am, and, you know who you're watching through your phone or your TV or whatever you watch me on. And I want to say thank you for everybody who watches, subscribes, comments, whether it's good, bad, or in between. Because as long as you watch the video, baby, you're giving me a view and you giving me a coin. So whether you like me or not, thank you so much for everybody who likes, shares, subscribes, everything. And go ahead and follow my social medias down below in the description box, because we're just getting started and I have a lot more chit-chatty videos for you guys, so we can just get to know each other and it can just be a magical, great year for us. So y'all know what to do, and I'll see y'all when I'm back with another video.